Think of it. After throwing your graduation cap and receiving your diploma, it's time to travel. But wait, the road to owning your first car is winding. Do you know the financial fast lane secrets? Today, we're talking about the car that will carry you to your first job interview, significant relocation, and ultimate independence. I'll help you achieve it without ruining your budget. Welcome to Money Craft Masters, where we make the impossible possible. Recent graduates face a new world of financial decisions, and a car may top the list. But buying the proper car isn't enough. You must also choose the correct payment method. I'll show you how to finance your first automobile smartly, affordably, and strategically, so buckle up. Let's accelerate into innovative auto financing. Car financing explained. Let's get started. Car finance is like driving. It's complicated at first, but once you know the regulations, you're okay. What's car financing? Buying an automobile using borrowed money. You can use a bank, credit union, or car dealership. This is when things get interesting. Each choice has benefits and cons. Banks are reliable and straightforward like old highways. Credit unions, due to their member ownership, scenic routes provide lower charges. Dealerships can be fast, convenient, and supply deals, but they may cost more in the long term. Think of your credit score like your driving record. It shows lenders how well you've borrowed. A clean record may cut interest rates and improve credit terms. Do not worry if your credit history includes any hiccups. You can polish it or get a cosigner. Your credit score depends on payment history, quantities owing, duration of credit history, new credit, and types of credit. Consider your financial fingerprint unique and vital. Your vehicle loan payment will be lower if your score is higher. Who doesn't want to save? Knowing your loan terms is vital. Annual percentage rate, a pre-individually. The interest you pay annually. The loan duration is how long you'll repay it. Shorter terms increase monthly payments but reduce interest. Longer term, easy on your monthly budget, but you may pay extra interest. It is like choosing between a sprint and a marathon. Both will get you to own your car, but the experience and costs will differ. Remember, you're financing more than the car's sticker price. You must consider taxes, fees, and extras. That's it. Car finance goes beyond obtaining the keys and driving off. Making smart decisions that fit your financial goals and life journey is critical. Stay tuned for our discussion on budgeting for your new car. New car budget. After covering car financing basics, let's talk budgeting for your new car. Budgeting is like planning a road trip. You must know what you can afford before you start to avoid getting lost. First, analyze the car's total price, not simply the marketing price. There's more: sales tax, registration, dealership fees, and insurance. Include these in your total cost as they add up. This is your on-the-road price, the amount you must finance. Now, how much can you afford monthly? Keep in mind the 25 rule. Put at least 20 down finance for no more than 4 years and keep your monthly vehicle expenses, loan, insurance, gas, maintenance under 10 of your gross income. This guideline helps you budget and save. Break it down. Start with income and subtract fixed costs like rent, groceries, and school loans. The remainder is your discretionary budget. Create a car budget from this. Remember that car ownership costs more than the monthly payment. It includes commuter gas, oil changes, unforeseen repairs, and parking tickets. Think of your car as a new monthly expense. It requires money allocation to function. Remember to prepare for the unexpected. Life throws curveballs, and so does your car. Maintenance funds can prevent financial difficulties in the future. That's it. Budgeting for a new car requires big picture and daily planning. Make sure your car gives you freedom, not debt. Stay tuned as we discuss the best finance recommendations for fresh graduates. Don't miss it. Finance suggestions for recent graduates. You've planned your budget and are ready to manage funding. Before you hit the gas, refresh your knowledge with premium financing suggestions for recent graduates. It's time to maximize your financial return without stalling. First tip: graduate programs. Automakers want your potential. Graduates receive cash rebates or discounted borrowing rates from several. It means congratulations and we believe in you. Do your homework. You may need to ask the dealership about these bargains, which are rarely advertised. The cosigner technique is tip 2. Having a cosigner can help build your credit. Someone with good credit signs the loan alongside you. Like a financial buddy system, Their credit strength supports your application and may improve loan terms. Third tip, shop for loans like Black Friday. Resist a first offer. Check with multiple lenders for the best deal. Remember to bargain. No is the worst they can say in business. A clever negotiator like you usually gets accepted. Fourth tip, read the fine print like your favorite novel. Understand your loan agreement's AP or length, early payoff costs, and monthly payment. Knowing the complete story saves money and gives you power. Remember the digital world. Many internet tools and calculators can help you compare loans, calculate payments, and comprehend interest rates. Use technology to your advantage. After all, your generation will shape the future. You're ready to drive vehicle financing with this advice. Don't speed yet. Pumping the brakes and avoiding typical mistakes is next. Stay tuned. This advice could save your finances. Avoidable mistakes. After you've learned some excellent finance recommendations, let's discuss what not to do. It's easy to make mistakes while buying a new car in the enthusiasm. No worries, I'll help you avoid frequent mistakes so you may drive straight to success. The first mistake was skipping the budget. Buying your ideal car can be tempting, but if it's not in your financial lane, it could crash. Always follow your budget. It's your financial seatbelt against extravagance. Second mistake, ignoring loan cost, not only the monthly cost. A smaller monthly payment may seem like a good deal, but if you pay interest on it for a long time, you may pay more than the car is worth. Consider the whole cost, not just the monthly bill. Third mistake, not reading the fine print. The terms and conditions don't only add paperwork, they contain essential loan information. Deception lurks in prepayment penalties and hidden fees, so please read them carefully. Fourth mistake, buying too good to be true deals. If financing appears too good, it probably is. Be doubtful. Ask queries. Know your stuff. Remember, you can leave if the transaction feels odd. Many cars are available and the ideal offer is out there. Last mistake, not considering a used car. New automobiles are unique but depreciate quickly. Just a year or two old cars can be very affordable and still have most of the things you seek. It's worth a look and may save you money. Avoiding these blunders can make automobile buying easier. Remember these warnings and you'll be in control of your finances and driving. Our final stop is the conclusion. I have some final thoughts after a long journey. Check the rearview mirror as we finish our adventure today. Our vehicle financing journey has included knowing the basics, controlling the budget, taking advantage of graduate suggestions, and avoiding pricey pitfalls. I'm grateful you've persevered with me during this ride. Remember that financing a car is a big deal, especially for recent graduates starting new careers. It would help to have confidence and control to drive your financial future, not merely go from A to B. Buying a car is an investment in your independence, job, and future experiences. Use these recommendations as your GPS for car ownership finances. If you take time and plan, the journey can be as enjoyable as the goal. Remember that this channel is your co-pilot, helping you avoid danger and succeed. If you enjoyed our trip today, hit that like button. It's like a thumbs up on the road. Share this video with other graduates to traverse these roads together. For financial tips, subscribe to Moneycraft Masters. Your help powers this voyage, which has much more to cover. Thank you for watching, and until next time, manage your finances and pursue your aspirations. Friends, travel safely and spend wisely.